Microsoft Excel is the most popular software application in the world, used by about 1 billion people around the world within the data community. Microsoft is also the most popular data tool, and at the same time, it is probably the most looked down upon tool among persons interested in learning data. Such persons prefer to learn the heavy tools such as Python, Power BI, etc., while ignoring Microsoft Excel. Excel is the mother of all analytics tools. In fact, tools like Power BI emanated from Microsoft Excel. Excel is so powerful that data professionals have collectively agreed that there is no end to learning it or what it can do. Hi, my name is Boluwatife. I am an instructor at Zakrak Learning, a data school that trains and connects talents with placement opportunities. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization, capable of handling basic to advanced level tasks and analysis, and used in nearly every industry. Apart from this, Microsoft Excel is the easiest data tool to learn. Hence, why we always advise our learners to start their journey by learning Microsoft Excel. Not only is Excel easy to learn, if you see what it can do, it will wow you. Regardless of whether you want to become a data analyst, data scientist, or business intelligence analyst, Microsoft Excel is the best place to start from. Microsoft Excel provides an easy way to start a career in the data profession. It allows the understanding of your data through natural language queries without the complexity of writing formulas or codes. A large proportion of the data you will be working on will come in Excel spreadsheet format. Learning Excel will help you carry out operations such as data cleaning and data preparation. Microsoft Excel provides high-level visuals and summaries. Go to zacracklearning.com, click on Roadmaps, select Microsoft Excel, filter the courses, click on Start Learning, select a payment option, create an account, and start learning. Don't forget it takes consistency, practice, and dedication to master a new skill. Give yourself time and choose the learning style that best suits you. Wishing you success.